the muscle at the base twitching. For his own safety, F reached for his small silver blade and amputated the appendage. The being tensed as though shot through with pain, and defecated a small amount of discharge, the smell of ripe ammonia stinging F's nose. White blood spilled out around the throat incision, the caustic fluid seeping onto the stretched rubber tube. F carried the writhing organ to the counter, where he lay it next to a digital scale. He examined it under the light of a magnifying lens, and as it twitched like a severed lizard's tail, he noted the tiny double tip at the end. F bisected the organ lengthwise, then peeled back the pink flesh, exposing dilated, bifurcated canals. He already knew that one canal introduced, along with the virus-infected parasitic worm, a narcotizing agent and a salivary blend of anticoagulants for the vampire sponge victim. The other canal siphoned the blood meal. The vampire did not suck the blood out of its human victim, but instead relied on physics to do the extraction. The second stinger canal forming a vacuum-like connection through which arterial blood was drawn up as easily as water crawls up the stem of a plant. The vampire could speed the capillary action if necessary by working the base of his stinger like a piston. Amazing that this complex biological system arose out of radical endogenous growth. Human blood is more than 95% water. The rest is proteins, sugars, and minerals, but no fat. Tiny bloodsuckers such as mosquitoes, ticks, and other arthropods could survive on blood meals just fine. As efficient as the vampire's transmuted bodies were, as large sanguivores, they had to consume a steady blood diet in order to avoid starvation. And because human blood was mostly water, they expressed waste frequently, including while feeding. F left the flayed stinger upon the counter, returning to the creature. The acidic white vampire blood had eaten through the tubing across its neck, but the vampire's thrashing had subsided.
Sure.
F opened up the creature's chest, cutting down from sternum to waist in a classic Y. Through the calcified bone of the rib cage, he saw that the interior of the chest had mutated into quadrants, or chambers. He had long ago surmised that the entire digestive tract was transformed by the vampiric disease syndrome, but never until now had he viewed the chest cavity in its mature form. The scientist in him found it truly extraordinary. The human survivor in him found it absolutely repellent.
Mina.
He stopped cutting when he heard footsteps on the floor above him.
Mina.
Footsteps, shoes. But